Basahin ang moisturizer label in 10 seconds para malaman mo kung kaya nitong mag-support ng skin barrier repair. Hello there, I'm Chat De Los Santos. I'm a naturopath cosmetic chemist. Most people look at claims, hydrating, moisturizing, for sensitive skin. But as a chemist, this is my guide you can use to read a moisturizer label in seconds. First, check the top ingredients kung may humectants like glycerin, propanediol, hyaluronic acid, or panthenol. Ibig sabihin, may magpupull ng water into your skin. Second, look for emollients or oils. Ito yung nagbibigay ng softness and helps maintain moisture like shea butter, mango butter, jojoba oil, argan oil, and other plant-based oils that mimic the skin's natural oils. Third, check if may barrier support ingredients like ceramides, fatty acids like linoleic acid, cholesterol, or niacinamide that help strengthen the barrier. If wala ang combination na yan, kahit maganda ang claims, kulang pa din. So don't choose based on marketing. Choose based on what's inside. If you want to learn more about this and how to choose the right moisturizing products, join my free webinar, Type Skin Repair, and I'll send you the details.